What is this?
Checkout. I meet a friendly cashier at the checkout.
What is this?
Trolley. My trolley is full of groceries.
What is this?
Produce section. I picked up a cabbage in the produce section.
What is this?
Frozen food. I grabbed a bag of frozen peas.
What is this?
Dairy products. We always buy fresh dairy products like milk and cheese.
What is this?
Baked goods. I couldn't resist the smell of fresh baked goods.
What is this?
Cashier. The cashier scanned each item quickly.
What is this?
Receipt. Don't forget to check your receipt before leaving.
What is this?
Special offer. They had a special offer on cereal this week.
What is this?
Discount. I got a 50% discount on detergent.
What is this?
Shopping list. I always bring a shopping list to stay organized.
What is this?
Scanner. She passed every product through the scanner.
What is this?
Brand. This supermarket offers a variety of dairy brands.
What is this?
Price tag. I checked the price tag before buying.
What is this?
Expiration date. Always check the expiration date on yogurt.
What is this?
Customer service counter. Customer service is helping me choose shampoo.
What is this?
Shelves. He is stocking meat on the shelves.
What is this?
Store layout. This store layout makes shopping easier.
What is this?
Checkout lane. The checkout lane is very crowded.
What is this?
Refrigerated section. I grabbed some ice cream from the refrigerated section.
What is this?
Sample station. I tried cheese at the sample station.
What is this?
Aisle. I'm walking down the snack aisle.
What is this?
Label. I read the label to check the nutrition facts.
What is this?
Loyalty card. I scanned my loyalty card for extra points.
What is this?
Plastic bag. I refused the plastic bag and used my own tote.
Saturday supermarket mission. Every Saturday morning, I head to the supermarket with a carefully written shopping list. Today, I arrived early, grabbed a trolley, and walked through the wide aisles, planning to finish my errands before the store got crowded. First, I visited the produce section, where I picked out fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and oranges. Then, I moved on to the dairy products aisle to get yogurt and cheese from the refrigerated section. I made sure to check the expiration date on each item. No one wants spoiled milk. As I continued, I passed the baked goods area, tempted by the smell of warm croissants. I picked up a few and read the label to see the ingredients. At a nearby sample station, a friendly staff member offered me a slice of blueberry cake. Delicious. Moving along, I stopped in the frozen food aisle to grab some frozen dumplings. Then I picked up a bottle of dish soap from the cleaning supplies aisle and looked at the price tag to compare brands. Luckily, there was a special offer on the brand I liked, plus, I had a loyalty card, so I earned extra points. While walking, I noticed the store had rearranged the store layout, and I got a bit lost looking for the cereal. I finally asked customer service, and they kindly pointed me in the right direction. When my trolley was full, I rolled it over to the checkout lane. The cashier greeted me with a smile and quickly scanned each item. I paid, took my receipt, and politely declined a plastic bag because I had brought my own tote. On my way out, I noticed employees stocking shelves with new goods for the afternoon rush. I was glad to be done early. With everything I needed, I felt productive and ready to head home and cook a nice lunch.